I don't know whether you've been told this or not, but I must be able to tell you that in this world of digitalization and online connection, the best way for you to make money online is not by you gambling or trying to do all sorts of jobs online, but rather having a skills. Not only having the skills, be good at the skills, and you are actually on the way towards financial freedom. So guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you 5 jobs I want you to go into in 2023. Master it before the end of 2023, and I promise you, you are going to be financially free for life. So without further ado, let's get started. If this is the first time of you coming across our videos or visiting our channels, kindly like our videos, hit the subscribe button over there, be part of us so that we can be able to make money all together. If you find our videos useful and helpful, you can actually share it to your friends and your loved one. By the way, the first skills you need to learn or start learning in 2023 is full stack web development. Full stack web development is one of the best and online well-demand skills out there. Like seriously, many companies in UK, US, Canada, they are actually looking for a web developer who can actually oversee their website, create and design an instinct which they really want their website or site to be. They also want them to actually create a program which could actually help them to facilitate their development and technological advancement. All those things are actually in high demand, which you can learn almost for free. In order to make it much more fascinating to you, let me also tell you that the average salary of a full stack web developer is between $120,000 to $180,000 every year. I know that is actually mind-blowing, right? So you can actually pick a course on full stack web development and become a developer on any feed of your choice. You can actually decide to be using a JavaScript, CSS, C++, or even Python to assimilate and accumulate your creativity. I hope you're getting it right. I know you'll be asking me, how can I get this particular course? It is really simple. You can go into Udemy and actually search for a full stack web development. You're going to find an amazing courses over there, or you can also go on Coursera and get a course right there. But you might also be having a question that, what if I don't have funds to get these courses? Because for you getting all these courses, you need to have between $100 to $500, even $1,000 or $1,500 to accumulate or get those courses. But I got you, and I'm able to let you know that there is a way for you to learn it for free from both the beginners level to an advanced level. This is how it's gonna go. What you're gonna do is go onto YouTube and come over and search this guy called WB Web Development Solution. This guy has actually created an amazing course by which you can be able to understand as a newbie. And when you look at this area, you can see a tons of episode that has actually been created to help you facilitate your knowledge right here. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is actually a great opportunity for you to start learning something that could make you financially free for life. The next skills you can learn in 2023 and you can be financially free is UI UX. UI UX is also known as users interface, users experience. This is a particular type of skills that I am so much interested in. You know one funny thing about this particular skills, you can be able to use your creativity to create something amazing. It's not you following a particular rules or regulation. Rather, with your creativity, you can be able to learn. With this particular skills, you can be able to engage in mobile development, app interface, web development, app interface, and also website interface in order to ensure the people or visitors accessing those websites or those apps having a user's interface, user's accessibility, and friendly environment. I know you're actually going to be asking, what are going to be things you really need to know about UI UX? Well, actually, UI UX is one of the highest, demanding jobs after web development in any organization, because many people really wants to create an app or even upgrade their website. So they really need you to help them create an interface or an architectural design of how their website or their app is going to look like. So all those things is what you are going to be executing, and you're going to be paid heavily for that. The average salary of UI UX workers is between the range of $80,000 to $150,000 every year. I'm very sure if you're earning this type of amount every year, you are going to be financially free. I know you're going to be thinking on how you can be able to get into this particular course. Well, you can actually get UI UX design course in Udemy within $100 to $500, or particularly go into Coursera and get it either for a cheaper price. But in a situation whereby you don't have the money to purchase this particular course, what are you going to do? I know that is a question going through your mind. Well, I actually got you. This is what you're going to do. You go onto YouTube and you're going to come and search this guy on YouTube. This guy actually created a lot of courses that could actually guide you through on how you can start as a UI UX designer down from the beginning level to a pro level. I hope you're getting it right. With this, you can be able to start up with something depending on when you'll be able to have the money to upgrade to an advanced level. I hope you guys are getting me right away. The next skills you need to learn in 2023 is PPC marketing. PPC is also known as pay per click. This is the type of skills that requires you to know how to design, create content regards to Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, or even LinkedIn ads, and makes you to connect a customer with their product right to their targeted audience. So if you are interested in this particular course, it should be interest you to know that the average salary of PPC worker is between the range of $130,000 to $250,000 every year. If you are really interested of becoming a digital marketer in 2023, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go onto Udemy and actually get a course right there, or in Coursera and get a course which it could be between $120 to $300 depending on the nature of that particular course. In a situation when you don't have the money to actually purchase those particular courses, this is what you're going to do. Firstly, you're going to go onto YouTube and search WS Cube Tech English. Depending on where you are from, if you're an English speaking country, you can search their English aspect, or if you're actually in Hindi, or if you understand Hindi language, you can actually put in Hindi, because the guy is actually an Indian who speaks Hindi and also is able to speak English fluently. He has actually created a comprehensive course on how you can actually start as a PPC manager and also a digital marketer. So that is going to help you right from the beginning level to an advanced level. After going through these particular clips, you're going to be an expert in digital marketing and PPC management. So guys, this is an opportunity for us to get into it, hit it up, and keep rocking in 2023. The next skills you need to learn in 2023 that can actually guarantee you a financial freedom for you and your family is data analysis. Data analysis is one of the best and fast growing skills going on out there. Guys, I have a lot of people hitting up, making a lot of money as a data analysis. This is what is required of you as a data analysis. You are expected to analyze and fast track the data needed by organization companies to help them make a precise and effective decision. I hope you're getting it right. For example, a company may really need a particular data to analyze and also get an adequate or precise information on what to do and how to do it. So as a data analysis, you are expected to search through and get those data, provide them for this particular organization. So it should interest you to know that as a data analysis, you can earn between $150,000 to $345,000 every year. Like guys, this is an opportunity for you to rock into these skills and make a good sum of money from it. I hope you're getting it right. So in a situation whereby you really want to learn these particular skills, you could actually go into Udemy and get a data analysis course over there within the range of $200 to $500 depending on the nature of the course, or you can go to Coursera and get it at a very cheaper rate. or a situation whereby you don't have the money to actually get those particular courses. This is what you are going to do. Firstly, you come over to YouTube again, you come over and search Alex the Analyst. Alex the Analyst is actually a data analyst that has actually strived in the data analysis environment for a longer period of time. He has actually dedicated his time to create playlist of courses of how you can actually start as a data analyst from a beginner level to a pro or advanced level. With this particular course, you don't really need more other courses for advancement. You just have to develop on that. You become a master in the craft. So guys, you have to check him out if you are interested in data analysis. The next skills you need to learn in 2023 if you want to become a successful and a financially free individual in 2023 is trading. Trading is one of the best skills you need to acquire in 2023. One thing I want you to know is that in trading you can become a millionaire overnight only if you are very good at your craft. One thing required of you as a trader is that you should be able to understand a chart pattern, market structure, market analysis, and you should be able to know when to enter into the market, when to go out of the market, when to take risks, and when to manage your risk. Those are the things that is required of you as a trader. You can actually venture into crypto, stocks, indices, or forex depending on what you are interested in. But I would definitely advise you to either start as a crypto trader or as a forex trader. That will actually serve as a basis for you to actually build a career in trading. I'll be able to tell you now that with forex trading, what you need is the knowledge. When you get the knowledge, making the money is just the easy task for you. So guys, if you are really interested in venturing into trading, I actually endorse you to actually go on Udemy. You get a basic course from there, and after that you get an advanced courses from there, which could definitely serve as a basis for you to have the knowledge and go rocking the market with millions upon millions of dollars. A situation whereby you don't have the money to buy courses on trading, this is what you are going to do. Firstly, you're going to come onto YouTube and search this guy called the Trading Geek. This guy actually created a course on how you can actually become a profitable trader from the beginner's level to an advanced level. So guys, these are the opportunity for you to take and become a financially free individual in 2023. You can decide to become a web developer or a UI UX designer or a PPC manager or even a data analyst or particularly a forex trader, and I assure you any of those skills you take, you are going to be successful right with it. All I just advise you to do is be patient, be focused, be determined, and has the zeal to learn. So guys, if you find this video useful and it has really helped you or enlightened you in one way or the other, do ensure you give us a thumbs up, comment on this particular video that 2023 you're going to become a successful individual in your society, and also subscribe into this channel. Ensure you share these videos to the loved ones and keep up checking up on this particular channel, as we are going to be revealing and releasing new videos every week right into the channel. Till I see you again in another video, keep rocking, keep learning, keep making money my guys, and have a lovely time ahead. Bye.